So let's look at the learning intention for today. So can I compare different amounts of money? And I think that we do this, or we need to do this, because it can help when we come to look at making the same amount of money but using different amounts of coins or different values of coins. So for example, if we had a £1 and a £1 on both sides, you could make it either with just a £1 coin, or the other side could be two 50p coins, 10 10p coins, 52p coins. So yeah, that's why I think that why it's important that we do this. The things we need to remember when we are, or while we are doing this, is what are the values of the coins or notes. Look at the coins, look at how much they are worth. So then that will help us come to the next point, where it's find the total for each amount. So when we have two different amounts, we work out the total of each side, and then we think about which one is greater than, which one is less than, which one is equal to. And just to help you remember that when we are looking at the arrows, the crocodile always eats the biggest number. So looking at where the teeth are going or opening, that is the biggest number.